I'm at Costco in Marysville, where my first stop is straight to the freezer aisle to pick up one of my favorite Costco products, the 3-berry blend. There's a reason these best-selling berries are so sweet. They're all locally grown. I chatted with Costco buyer Becky Schmidt and farmer Andy Enfield to learn how Washington-grown berries end up in Costco products around the world. You grow berries.
That's right. We grow and pack raspberries and blueberries and blackberries. We'll pack into the triple berry.
So we're talking about the Kirkland signature
3-berry blend.
3-berry blend. And some of them come from this guy.
A lot of them come from him. All of the raspberries and the blueberries and blackberries are coming from this area.
That's awesome.
Washington, Oregon.
That's really cool.
It is. It's really good for the industry, and it's nice to have a partner like Costco that likes the high quality and sees what we're doing up there. It's a good thing.
And so you do all of the packaging and everything?
Yep.
Wow. Right. That's kind of nice for you guys,
yes,
right?
Yes, it's great. And we like that because he can control it the whole entire way.
Yeah.
He's able to, see it out in the fields. He kind of gives me updates. He then freezes it, gives me more updates. He packages it and then ships it on to us. And then I check it out regularly and then give him updates.
So it seems like you guys have a very good working relationship, and
we do.
Yeah. There's a friendship.
We're a local Washington company. Costco's a Washington-based company, and they're buying Washington fruit.
Right.
I know, it doesn't get much better than that. No. And so how popular is the Kirkland signature triple berry mix?
That's our #1 fruit item.
Is it really?
Yes.
Good job. That's awesome. You flash freeze them, right? I mean,
flash freeze them, yeah.
And what does that do?
Takes about 5 to 7 minutes and they're frozen.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what's the benefit of that?
It just preserves all of the vitamins and all the nutrients in them, and preserving what Mother Nature produced when it was at the peak of ripeness.
They're really sweet, so a lot of times we actually get members asking if we've added sugar to it. And they're always surprised sometimes when we say there's nothing but the fruit.
Good Washington grown fruit.
Yep, not just apples here in Washington.
That's right.